everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Vikas from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, USN 1BE 23CS 185, class Chanakya, subject Mathematics, subject code BCS 301, topic analysis of completely randomized block design. Experimental design is a circular aspect of scientific research, allowing researchers to draw robust and reality conclusion from their data. This representation explores the key concept of and application of two widely used experimental design, completely randomized design and randomized block design. RDM materials are assigned to homogeneous subgroup which is named block. Comes in a category of single factor design. The analysis is easy but the completely when missing a plot technique is required. In the replication of category, RBD differs from treatment to treatment. That is 4 to 5 replications are sufficient. Advantages of randomized block design. The efficiency level is high. The reduced experimental error increase the precision. Disadvantages of RBD. It is not suitable for large number of treatments. The analysis is easy but they become complicated when a missing plot technique is required. Introduction to experimental design. Completely randomized CRD. In CRD, experimental unit are randomized assigned to treatment group allowing for unbiased estimation of treatment effects. Randomized block design involves group experimental unit into the homogeneous block then randomly assigned treatment within each block to control for potential comforting factor. Advan- Advantages and limitations. Both design efforts a unique statement and weakness, making them suitable for different assigned content and objectives. Assumption of the completely randomized design. Independence. Experimental units are independent of one to another with no interaction between them. Normality. The responses variable follows as a normal distribution with each treatment of groups. Homogeneity and variance. Variance of a responses variable is control axis of treatment to groups. Advantages and limitation of the completely randomized design. This is a graph we can see ensuring uses and determination. Advantages. CRD is simple to implement, provides unbiased estimated of treatment effects, allowing of straightforward statistic analysis. Limitations. CRD may not effectively control for external factors that could efficiency the responses variables leading to increase the error variance. RBD randomized block design principles and advantages. Blocking. RBD involves grouping experimental unit into a homogeneous block based factors that may affect the responses variables. Randomization with each block treatment are randomly assigned to experimental unit to ensure the unbiased estimates. Advantages. RBD can effectively control for sources of variation resulting in increase the precious and statistical power. Experimental process and randomizing block design. Identifying block factors. Determine the relevant factor that may influences the responses variables used them to create a homogeneous block. Randomizing treatments. Randomly assign treatment to experiment unit with each other to ensure the unbiased estimates, collect and analyze data, measure the responses variables, and perform statistical analysis to evaluate the treatment effects. Conclusion and partial implementation. Experimental design consideration. The choice between the CRD and RBD depends on the searching objectives, available resources, and the presence of potential confounding factor. Statistical analysis and interpretation. Proper data analysis and interpretation of results are circular for the drawing meaningful conclusion and informing practical applications. Real world implementation. The insight gained from the experimental design can drive advertisements in various fields from agriculture to medicines and beyond. Thank you guys for watching my video.